welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. Today is July the 9th, 2024. Okay, let me share my screen. Good. Oshrat, I don't know if you had an agenda item or not when.
No, I looked at this. I have nothing to add at the moment.
Okay. So we can start by looking at the fresh release that we had last week. If it works, yes. Good. So actually, we had like 2 releases last week. An extensive one, 3.0.12, which includes a lot of the changes we've been working on for the last few weeks. So mostly dependency updates. We had like some yeah, and two very important features that we talked about last week, I think. So it was the integration of the Copacetic project to be able to use Kubescape as the input for the Copacetic fix, and that we will document next week how to use. And so the very nice feature, some helpers to finally use our CL controls in 130 cluster. So I don't know if it's even explained in the PR, but we will also document it. Yes, here. So you can just simply use the VAP helper deploy to deploy the whole library as CRDs. And then there is another helper to create a binding for whatever policy you want in a namespace. And then the admission controller will make sure that you comply with those controls that are in the policy binding. So very cool stuff. I think we should even make a video about it in the near future.
Okay.
So that was it. And
I'll be right back.
Sorry?
I'll be right back.
Okay, I continue. And then the latest, the 3.0.13, is mostly about like improving the memory usage when we scan big clusters. We used to list all the pods and then only after that scan them one after the other. And now we use a pager to be able to fetch page after page the pod list. So for big clusters, you should avoid a lot of memory allocations. So this is for the Kubescape release, and then the Helm chart. I don't know if we had like several or only one of them. Yes, we had several as well. So it's mostly, let me see. Oh yeah, some improvements when doing some air-gapped installations. And of course, the small bump here that allow using the latest Kubescape that was just released before, and also a new node agent with some new KDR controls. I think we will also document all those controls next week, Oshrat. You're on mute.
Hope we managed to get everything done in one day.
Yes.
But
okay, but
we'll give it a
we
good try.
have tickets. Yes.
We have tickets.
Cool. Great. So this is it. And now let's have a look at triage. So there isn't so much in the triage. I already looked a bit So we have this bug that indeed looks like a real bug. So I think we should accept it and then try. So it's an old version, but actually I need to check if crew has a newer version or not. Maybe it's a
newer
flaw in
version of
our.
Kubescape or a newer version of Crew?
Yes, a newer version of Kubescape, because 3.03 is quite old. So
Yes,
I'm
it
gonna
is.
check. Maybe we have an issue with our. It doesn't say. Let's go to the GitHub. How is it again? I have to look. Yeah, maybe it's in a different repo where we have the list of. I thought it was here. I don't know why we don't find. Yeah. Crew index. Yes.
303.
Yeah. Okay. So actually, we have like a bigger issue than this. Is that the crew is not being updated? I will.
So it's fixing the version and adding automation so that we don't fall behind after next time.
But I think. Yeah, I remember when I put this in place, but I never checked if it was working at some point. But
If it reached, I don't. Well, yeah. If it reached 303, then it should, because I remember that I don't remember which version it was with the cube cuddle add-on.
Yeah. Okay.
And will that solve the unreadable thing, or do we have another bug?
I will check.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, this one I still have to look into it. Take it from David. Then all the rest didn't move, except the two that we closed. Yeah, great. And then about pull requests. No, we had known new. Yeah, that's the one that I have open since 2 weeks. This one is closed. This one is closed. Many to archive. Yes, this one is on you, Oshrat, if you remember. Yeah. So probably we'll have a look on Monday.
Yeah, I think, but what's in the is there any content in the PR or just a request to boost it?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the movement. Okay, so we'll finish. Oh, good then. We need just to review this, make changes to see if it's up to date, and then push
Exactly.
it, and then push it. Okay, that's
We don't have
easy.
we don't have like a label Docatan. No.
We can make one. It's very easy. Even I know how to do that.
Yeah. How do you do that? Edit labels. Yeah, no, but I think we have a doc label. It's probably enough.
Yeah, it's better because the Docathon is internal.
Exactly.
Although doing a community Docathon would be really cool, but
One day.
too many moving parts at the moment.
Yes, exactly. Okay, cool.
But maybe this is a good time to say that as Kubescape maintainers, we are doing the Docathon next week. So if you do find things that aren't documented well, in your opinion, feel free to open issues and we will look at them and we will add them and solve them, hopefully. Because it's just a one-day event, so hopefully we'll be able to make some progress.
Monday 16? No.
15, I
no.
think.
Okay, good.
Cool.
Cool. All right. Sanskar, do you have something to contribute to the meeting, or are you just here watching?
Hello, am I audible?
Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Hi, we can hear you. Is this something you'd like to add before we wrap this up?
I'll just take a quick minute to introduce. Hi, I am Sanskar, and currently I'm a GSO contributor at CU Bintul, and also side by side I'm like exploring the Kubernetes world and came across Kubescape. So I'm like looking forward to making contributions to Kubescape. Yeah.
Perfect. We're looking forward to approving your PRs.
Yes, welcome.
Thanks.
Great. Okay, so I guess we can wrap this up.
Yes. Thank you very much. Let's see each other in 2 weeks.
Exactly. We'll see each other in 2 weeks. Have
Yeah.
a great 2 weeks by then. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks.
Bye. Thanks.